Hey yo, Jim, man, won't you kick some of that? You know how you do it, man. It's a trip. People don't even believe we're together right now. But tell your story. You know the one I like. Right. Say it for me.
Riders on the storm. Riders on the storm. Into this house we're born. Into this world we're thrown. Like a dog without a bone, an actor out alone. Riders on the storm. There's a killer on the road. His brain is squirming like a toad.
That shit right there. Shorty on the right side, that shit right there. When I pull up on the corner, they say that shit right there. Lights, camera, action. Tonight gon' be a movie. I just ordered 50 bottles of Ciroc, Rosé, and Goose. I got bad women everywhere, at least 3 of them choosing red. Bottoms on the sofas up in VIP. Sue me for being young and reckless, wild and imperfections. Do 100 on the stripper named Vanessa, but I don't give up. I'm just doing what I want. See, I'm young and I got money, light it up just like a blunt. Haters on the sideline, I don't really care. Stacking money to the ceiling, yeah, we ballin' everywhere. Empire state of mind, this is our year. Prince of America, I'm that shit right here.